At the heart of every Ferrari lies a powerful engine, a symphony of mechanical precision engineered to deliver exhilarating performance. These engines are the result of decades of innovation and passion, embodying the spirit of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. From the high-revving V8S to the awe-inspiring V12S, each engine is a testament to Ferrari's engineering prowess. The V8 engines, known for their high-revving nature, deliver a thrilling driving experience with their rapid acceleration and responsive power delivery. Ferrari engines are renowned for their power, responsiveness, and unmistakable exhaust note. The sound of a Ferrari engine is a symphony in itself, a roar that stirs the soul and announces the car's presence with authority. These engines are not simply power plants, they are works of art, meticulously crafted by skilled artisans. Each component is carefully designed and assembled to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Ferrari engineers have consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive technology, pioneering innovations in engine design, aerodynamics, and materials science. Their relentless pursuit of excellence has led to numerous breakthroughs that have set new standards in the automotive industry. Pioneering innovations in engine design, aerodynamics, and material science have allowed Ferrari to stay at the forefront of automotive engineering. The use of advanced simulation tools and wind tunnel testing ensures that each Ferrari is aerodynamically optimized for maximum performance. The use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber, along with advanced aerodynamic designs, allows Ferrari to achieve exceptional performance figures. These materials not only reduce weight, but also enhance the car's structural integrity and safety. These advancements translate into blistering acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and a driving experience unlike any other. The combination of lightweight construction and powerful engines allows Ferrari cars to achieve incredible speed and agility on both road and track. The pursuit of performance extends beyond raw power. Ferrari's engineers meticulously fine-tune every aspect of the car to ensure it delivers a balanced and exhilarating driving experience. Ferrari invests heavily in research and development, constantly refining its vehicles to achieve the perfect balance of speed, handling, and braking. This commitment to continuous improvement ensures that each new model is more advanced and capable than the last. This dedication to technical excellence is evident in every aspect of a Ferrari, from the finely tuned suspension to the advanced traction control systems. These systems work in harmony to provide the driver with unparalleled control and confidence, whether on a winding mountain road or a high-speed racetrack. Ferrari's commitment to innovation ensures that each new model surpasses the previous one in terms of performance and technological sophistication. The introduction of new technologies and design philosophies keeps Ferrari at the cutting edge of the automotive world. Whether it's on the road or the track, a Ferrari is designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. The combination of power, precision, and passion that goes into every Ferrari ensures that each drive is a memorable one, filled with excitement and emotion.